morning, everybody. How are you doing wherever you're watching the video from? Look at me. I've got two questions with me, question A and question B here. We need to find the value of x. So how do we get to find that value of x? So let's say 2 power x power 1 over 2 is equal to a 4. So in finding the value of x here for the first equation, which is right here, we first need to balance the bases. Hopefully you know what it means when we say balancing the bases. We shall write a 2 power x power 1 over 2 is equal to the 4 here. We'll change it. We'll write it as a 2 power 2. So 2 power 2, that simply means 2 multiplied by itself 2 times, and it will give us a 4. So we've balanced the bases. Can you see the base? Here it's a 2, and here also it's a 2. So we shall say x power 1 over 2 is equal to a 2. The laws of indices. Whenever you see that the bases are the same, you've got this base and this base, you equate the powers. So meaning the power which is right here, or the exponent which is right here, will be equal to the other exponent right over here. So once you do that, you can now solve here. How do we get to solve this equation now? We're solving for x. We shall say x power 1 over 2 multiplied by a 2, which is equal to 2 power a 2. You see how it is? I've introduced the same thing to both sides of the equation. So the power 2 here and the power 2 here. So these 2 and the 2 will cancel, will give us a power 1, and we shall say x is equal to, what is 2 power 2? It will give us a 4. So the value of x for the first equation here is just a 4. Let's check out the next one. So for the next question, which is question B, for question B, we've got 9 power x is equal to x power 6. So the law which we need to use here, let me share the law with you. Come with me, I share it with you. So the law that we're supposed to use here is that when you've got a power 1 over a is equal to x power 1 over x. You see this? The moment you see something like this, you can see this base and the power, the denominator, is equal. Even here, the denominator here is equal to the base right here. You just say a is equal to x. And this is a property or the law that we need to use in order for us to solve this exponential equation. So now let's do this. For us to write it in that form, we shall say 9 power x, we multiplied by 1 over x, which is equal to x power 6 multiplied by 1 over x. You see the way it is? I'm trying to write every term with x to one side of the equation and without x to the other side of the equation. So this, of course, and this will go. We shall remain with the 9 is equal to x power 6 over x. See the way it is? I'm only remaining with the 6. The power 6 is here. So I have to bring it this side. And I'm going to say 9 is equal to x power 6 over x times 1 over 6. The reciprocal of this. Even this side, 1 over 6. So the 6 and the 6 will give us a 1. We shall remain with the 9 power 1 over 6, which is equal to x power 1 over x. See what we've remained with? We're almost there. So the next thing here will simply be to say 9, okay? Actually, this 9, we shall write it as 3 power 2, and then power 1 over 6 is equal to x power 1 over x. You see? So now, from this stage, the laws of indices, power to power, you multiply. So we're going to multiply this power times this. Let me erase here. I'm running out of space. So I've got 3 power 2, 1 over 6 there is equal to x power 1 over 6. Okay? So once you do that, this will be a 3 power 2 over 6 is equal to x power 1 over x. You see, it's almost giving us the answer. So we can say 3 power 1 over 3 is equal to x power 1 over x. So 2 into 2 is 1, into 6 it's a 3. So I've got 1 over 3, which is right here. Therefore, we can simply say 3 is equal to x. So the value of x is equal to what? To a 3. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share the video, subscribe if you've not done so, like and leave a comment in the comment section. This has been Sichamba Jacob.